Hi friends, welcome to Raw Reviews. So today in our channel we are going to show you i20, which is third generation, which is going to be released in India late somewhere mid of November. So what we will do is, we don't have the vehicle right now to show you, but the only thing is we have few photos and the videos to show you. In Tamil Nadu it's going to be launched by mid of November, but the vehicles are already been arrived in their particular showrooms. But the thing is, like, they will launch the vehicle by mid of November, maximum end of November. So this particular third generation i20 is it's entirely different. It's not going to be a facelift, it's going to be a very different design than the previous version of i20. So in India it's going to be a third version of a third generation of i20. So it has a very interesting design, and it's going to be giving a very good competition for the rivals. We will also discuss about the new upcoming cars, which is going to be between sub 4 meter. So it's going to be MG, that is MG3, Kiga from Renault, and also Magnite from Nissan. These cars are ready for launch, but the thing is, like, they will wait for the other rivals to get launched before they launch their own vehicles by other brands. So let's go inside the video of i20 and show you the design. 3 engine options are available for this i20, and it's gonna be fully features packed car. So let's go inside the video and check what is all about. So, as I told you, the expected launch for this particular i20 will be around November, mid or end of November 2020. So this is the new third generation i20, which is going to be launched in India. So this is third generation. It is entirely a new generation car. So there's no facelift done over here. It's entirely, they have redesigned the whole vehicle. The previous design was little sturdy and bold design, but now they have influenced this particular design with Audi and the BMW look. So going inside the update, the i20 2020 has reached the showrooms ahead of its upcoming launch in November 2020. And it also has the price range of 9.5 lakh for the top spec variety. So it starts from 6 and goes up to 9.5 lakhs. So the engine specification, if we are talking about, so if you can see in the video, I will also show you on the screen the engine specification and the variants which is going to be launched by Hyundai for the i20. So you can see the sleek design, which looks really sharp edges, and also the cuts, the side profile of the car, and 15-inch alloy wheels, diamond cut, and lots of features going to be packed with. And also what I'm showing you right now is European design, but in the next clips I will be showing you the Indian design, which already released and reached the showrooms. So this is the one. So if you can see the side profile, very sleek and a very sexy look has been given. I cannot able to show you the Indian spec of the rear lights because it's been camouflage, and also the front, but I have showed you the European spec. It's going to be the same. So this is how it will look with the piano black honeycomb finish as well, which is very sharp, and a full LED set is going to be given. And in full spec option you will get the fog lamps as well, and it's gonna be LED. So talking about the engine specification, it's going to be 3 engines on the 3rd generation i20. So 2 petrol and a diesel engine will be given. So if you can see the alloy wheels, it's going to be diamond cut as well, and top spec alloy wheels will be little different from this. So it's going to look like this, and it's going to be 16-inch alloy wheels as well. So the picture credit goes to the Car Bike Reviews as well, because they were the one who has given this particular pics to us. And this is a rear profile, and this is typically has been influenced by Audi and the Audi hatchback. If you can see Audi hatchback, so that's the same look which they have given, and the full light LED system in the rear they have given in the i20. And we are talking about the engines. It is gonna be a 1.2 liter engine from the outgoing model that puts out 83 PS and 130 Newton meter, whereas the second will be the Venue's 1 liter turbo petrol, likely 120 PS by 173 Newton meter tuned. It will also get the 1.5 liter diesel engine from the Venue, in which it makes 100 PS with 240 Nm of torque. The turbo petrol engine will be the only automatic offering in this particular 7-speed DCT. So this is the interior part. 10.25 inch cluster has been given, which is automatic plus analog, and 10.25 inch infotainment system has been given with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All the features has been loaded in this particular car. And you can also check with the Bose system, which has been given in Venue. The same is being used over here as well with this particular car, which is i20 3rd generation. Sunroof is also being given with touch system. One touch you can open close the sunroof system in this i20. So this car is really comfortable. When I saw the car, it is really comfortable with good space as well, and it also has this blue link facility, and auto dimming feature is also available. And if you have not subscribed with our channel, please do subscribe. Raw reviews. And if you can see the interior part, so it's gonna be a best in terms of the rival for hatchback segment or for sub 4 meter car. And there's some cushioning thing also been given in the door panels with the chrome finish, like gunmetal finish kind of thing, which has been given in the the starting metal. And also the top spec will have chrome finish as well in the front and the rear, in the exterior and interior part. So please do subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed, so we will get more motivation to make more videos. And this is the variant which I'm talking about. It's Era Magnum Sports Dual Tone Asta, and Asta Automatic as well, which has been going to be launched. And this is the variant which has been officially told by Hyundai. As I told, the engine specification on my screen, you can see. So this is 1 liter turbo engine which is being used from the Venue, and IMT version is also going to be launched in this particular car with automatic features as well. So this car will be rekindle its rivalry with the likes of the Maruti Baleno, Toyota Glanza, Honda Jazz, Volkswagen Polo, Tata Altroz. And in the end of the video, I will also show you the other brands. They are going to launch their own sub 4 meter hatchbacks, which is MG, Renault, Nissan with Magnite, and also the brands. So this is a competitive rival which they have to launch with their market, which is Altroz and Baleno. And if you can see, even Kia is going to launch the Picanto, and MG is going to launch MG3. So these are the cars which are going to be launched in rivalry for this particular product. And thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe for reviews. Have a safe day. Bye bye.